Show them something. Show them something. You're from? Smidran. Nice to meet you. I'm from South Sudan.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm a vlogger. I've been to India and Nepal.
Nice.
Yeah. How has it been here?
It's nice.
Good, huh?
Nice.
Okay. Enjoying, huh? All the best.